this video. Basically, I was like having issues where I would send it too hard and I would just bottom out all my suspension because I was just going so big. I just added another wheel with more forks so that I could have double the suspension in the front, you know? So now I can send it twice as hard and not have my suspension just bottom out all the time. Also, don't tell anyone this, but I used to ride quads, and when I transitioned to dirt bikes, it just felt very awkward and like unstable. So I think with the double front wheels, it kind of makes it feel a little bit more like a quad again. Yeah, I'm just gonna test it down the street real quick first off. Seems that the turning radius is almost cut in half. It feels like a snowmobile almost.
What the hell's that?
Okay, so basically it's impossible to turn. Extremely hard to ride on the pavement. So we're gonna take it out to the sand dunes. We're gonna send her high and wide, and we're gonna test this thing to the limits. Stay tuned.
That's crazy.
You think it's gonna do well, right?
Yeah. It's
On the sand dunes?
Oh, dude, she's gonna whip.
It's got double the suspension, dude.
Oh, she's gonna whip.
Oh yeah,
50-foot jumps right there.
double traction. Yeah.
I got it. It feels a lot lighter now. That's here where all the Jeep owners got stuck. Up just like that. Next thing you know it, I'm gonna be shredding gnar. I'm gonna find a fat lip and I'm just gonna Bubba scrub. Just Jet Lauren, Eli told me, Ken Rock. I know there's like a street bike motorcycle that has like this same design that exists.
It countersteers like a motorcycle.
And I've seen people actually wheelie that thing. So I think the whole general design, I mean, it should work on a dirt bike, right? Oh my God, it's sucking me everywhere. Okay. It's my badass fucking dually. What do you mean? What do you think?
Dude, I was trying to figure that out. I saw you loop around. I thought you were riding with a whole nother bike next to you. I was like, what?
I know. It looks so trippy.
That's awesome. Between the two tires.
Yeah, you have to like lean it so hard to try and get the other tire off the ground. Oh man, I'm scared to go down.
You gotta pop it up for us.
Dude, it's hard. It's like It's so heavy, it's like trying to wheelie a Harley or something. It actually works out here, it's insane. Out here where the traction is really loose and it's just soft, you can like lean it all the way over and get it on one wheel. And then that's basically how you turn. You have to get the opposite wheel off the ground. It's definitely a lot stiffer. You want to try it out?
I don't know, man.
Just give it a rip.
Oh, it's so heavy in the front.
Yeah, I know, dude, it's gnarly. You can't even remember what that's. He's done, dude. Oh shit, he's going up the wall.
Insane.
Dude, it looks rough.
I don't know how you made it look easy. It's like it's fighting itself when you're trying to steer. It just doesn't.
Yeah,
You gotta really throw it down into it.
I thought you were gonna fall over when you sat down.
It'd be cool if you can get comfortable on it and actually freaking throw some stuff.
yeah. I can't imagine myself ever hitting a jump though. I gotta get a wheelie in here. Like my ride.
Dude, that's like sick.
I got a wheelie though.
It looked pretty nice.
I can't believe you popped it up and didn't die.
Yeah, I bet you could do like a body burial on this bitch that wouldn't even leave the ground. It looks like it's hard to even hold up though.
Yeah, it is. I'm like using so many muscles just to keep it balanced.
Jealous, I'ma do shit to just piss them off. Say you never heard me, it's yo. Lost, they waiting on my freestyles. They tell me that nobody frontin' on that beat style. I tell them I be too old for it, and I gave my brother.
I jumped it, bro.
I hope they don't find him though, 'cause they be knocking on my door, now they looking through my window.
I was actually getting some good practice in on this thing. I was getting pretty comfortable. It was slowly starting to feel more fun than it was scary. And something about ripping around this dirt bike that rides like a snowmobile just feels so sick. It was truly an awesome experience shredding this thing around.
No interruption, and you're home, oh, on the phone, all alone, I give it to you, no interruption, in your house, oh, on the couch, name the time and the place and the function, I give it to you, no interruption.
Oh! This wheel is out of alignment. Everything's still tight. I think it's fine. I think it just kind of adjusts as I go.
Yeah.
If it's way off, I'll feel it. I think maybe I should try the booter. Oh! Damn! Alright, we're gonna try a jump now.
It's about to boot it.
Really want to hit this thing straight on, so. Yeah, that wasn't that bad. I think I can go faster. That's like all she has in third or in second. Try in third and see if I can get a little more distance out of her. Dude, this thing is so much fun, actually. Can you get down the seawall right now?
Shit's fucked, dude.
What do you mean?
It's 20-foot drop off. It's only like 20 foot to the seawall, so
Really?
yeah.
All right, thank you.
Good luck, man.